Let's explore synonyms for common time-related words. Prior to, before, later, afterwards, in the meantime, meanwhile, just now, recently, yesterday, prior day, tomorrow, next day, today, present day, interval, break, deadline, due date, sometimes, occasionally, often, frequently, never, not ever, future, perspective, now, currently, soon, shortly, current, present, ancient, antiquated, contemporary, modern, ancient times, antiquity, during, amid, henceforth, from now on, prior, previous, subsequently, afterwards, upcoming, future, instantly, immediately, long ago, ages ago, forward, ahead, ongoing, continuous, prolonged, extended, lapse, gap, short-term, temporary, long-term, permanent, earlier, formerly, delay, postpone, pending, waiting, preceding, antecedent, latter, final, epoch, era, century, age, decade, 10 years, season, period, fortnight, 2 weeks, week, 7 days, month, 4 weeks, year, 12 months, century, 100 years.